Hi folks, it's Claw Hammer Claudia here. Today I'm bringing you a claw hammer lesson for beginners. So, it's called claw hammer for a reason. And the reason is that you need to put your hand in some sort of claw and then strum it, I guess, like a hammer. So that's why it's called claw hammer. The best way to practice the claw hammer hand, the best posture, would be with a credit card, or like you just use some sort of like thumbs up move. Since I don't have a credit card right here, I'm gonna be using my thyroid medicine, which works fine. So imagine this is your credit card or your thyroid medicine, and then you grab it like this. Remember the thumbs up, and then the thumb is sticking out, and you're gonna be strumming the notes with one of these two fingers, the one you like the best. So and with your thumb you're gonna be doing that. You're gonna be pulling your thumb on the 5th string. You can play more than one note if you want to. So my banjo is tuned to the pretty poly tuning, which I'm going to display here. So when you press on this note, you get this beautiful G minor chord, or G fifth, I don't know. So if you keep your finger here, then everything will sound perfect. So remember, we're strumming the notes with these two fingers, and then we're pulling the 5th string away. Remember your thyroid medicine? So at first you might feel it's a bit stiff, and if you realize, because I've been playing for some time now, my finger kind of does the motion already because it's used to it, but you can start doing the mechanical way. Also, I almost forgot, it's really helpful to have the boom diddy rhythm, which is just a way of, if you say boom diddy, you get boom diddy boom diddy boom diddy. And you can just play with speed, different speed. I'm always alternating these two fingers, so, but if you like to just, or to just, that's up to you. And if, like, while you're practicing you may get bored of just doing that, so maybe you could experiment a little bit with what sounds right to you, like, or you could do some chords, which this would be C major, this last string and the first string, well, not the last string. These two strings over here. Or you could do a I don't know what chord this is. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. I might do some tutorials for some songs, some specific songs. If there's a song that you want to learn, you can say it. You can put it on the comments. And that's pretty much it. I hope these tricks, these tips were of use to you, and you'll excuse my English. You will. See you next time.